Right, so welcome back to another video. I haven't been able to get the tripod out. The panel is done. So that is the new panel there for the cupboard. It's just a smaller panel really. And the casing came a little bit beat up when I got it, so I decided to do that to it. But yeah, if you know, you know. But yeah, I'll just test a few core points just to make sure everything's communicating. I've already tested it when I put it on, but for the sake of the video we'll do another test. So yeah, I'll just get the keys. We can see it's all sorted there, so I'll shut that and I've got the key and we'll go test the core point. Alright, yeah, shove them on the ground. Shove those set of keys in the ground while I set the core point off. So yeah, here we go. Just put the key in the bottom. There we go.
Attention please, attention please.
And there we go. Reset that. There we go. A bit stiff that. Yeah, we'll go test another core point quickly. Right, gonna reset the paddle. There we go. Reset. Let's go test the other core point. I said this is gonna be a quick test today. It's not gonna be long. I don't have much time to be honest with you. I'll show you the door actually quickly. Little access system I've done. So press that. It opens. Got this little shitty keypad thing here. But yeah, it'll go off when the fire alarm goes. That locks completely, just like there. You got the mag just up there. So open that key in. I'll show you the other side as well. Closing. So you just scan it and then it opens just like that. Right, here we go. So I push the core point, the sounders will go. I hope it will. They're gonna see this. So, yeah. I'll show you in here. See the emergency light comes on as well. You see the door now. The door now is completely just unlocked. So yeah, see there, totally unlocked. And when I reset it, you'll hear a beep as the door comes back online. So I'll do that now. And there we go, the door is back online. Yeah, that's what you want to see. I'm gonna go do this one again. We'll walk around all the sounders. There you go, utility. I'll not be able to reset here, but that's the new panel. It's looking sharp. But yeah, that'll be it for now, and yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and all that, and join the Discord if you want. So yeah, bye.